Yeah, I'm too authentic. Ain't got no time to play with bitches. I got vibes in different cities. Bro, they loud down in them trenches. I was broke, but now I'm getting it. All of your nigga with it. To my all of your nigga with me. What you talking about?
It's your boy 3-9 Do Cooler back in the video, man. Got a little goddamn shoot video going on for y'all today, bro. You feel me, man? About 27, man. You feel me? G5, you know. Big boy thought, you feel me? Small. Target out that bitch, you feel me? About a good 10, y'all. Wind blowing, that was really good. Stop. Check it out, YouTube. You know, always goddamn take that bullet like the head, man. I always do that. I hit that bitch one time, dude. One fucking time, bro. It was a good hit, though. No count. It was a good ass hit. Good ass hit.
It was veering to the right.
Ready?
Yeah.
Hit right behind it. I seen when the bullet hit behind it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I ain't even hear that shit shoot, y'all.
What?
I ain't hear the gun.
How the fuck you hit a gun?
I swear to God. I swear to God, I heard the gun. I heard it way out, boy. I swear to God, boy. Boy, I ain't hear that big gang. I ain't hear shit, gang. Oh, that bitch made me so, boy. That bitch can't be hit, boy. What that bitch hit, boy? That bitch made me so. That bitch too. Hey, that shit, you got that? Ah! Hey, that shit was crazy. Hey man, it took me 2 tries, bro. 2 tries to hit that bitch. From 100 yards, bro. That lag got down, termite, whatever that shit called. I hit that bitch. 2 tries. This nigga. He ain't even hit it. Man, he ain't even hit that bitch, man. Y'all watch this shit. That one. Hey, you two, he missed this one. I already don't beat him.
That bitch ain't dead on either.
On me, that bitch is. On me, that bitch is.
Boy, the scope was just dead in the middle of that bitch.
I was.
And you see?
Man, well, adjust to you.
Not dead on.
Adjust to you then.
Try again.
Nah, adjust to you.
Try again.
What you talking about? Adjust to you, YouTube. Man, that nigga. He beat you, too. I put some another camera song. I told you.
Crazy, boy.
I told you. I fucking told you.
you.
I fucking told you. God damn. Motherfucker.
Another day in the country, man.
Huh? Hey man, another day in the fucking country, man. Do man, real country boy shit. That what I'll show y'all. That city life shit, water down, man. This what it. You feel? This what it. Y'all tripping. I'm finna load up this Drake. I'm finna see if I can hit that bitch from 100 yards. I'll talk shit at the pawn shop, tell the but I can hit that bitch from 100 yards. You feel me? Man, y'all know I gotta try. Can't go out like that. Can't go out like no bum. But I try. Nah, my shit on point, nigga. I hit it. Hey, y'all talking about. I didn't want to say, oh, man, come on, man. I'm a real, that let you know I'm a real shooter, bro. Don't fuck with me. I will get your ass going off the mount from a distance, fuck, nigga. Fuck you talking about. Oh, now you trying to get that weak ass 17. Weak ass 17, man. Weak ass fucking 17. Go get my that weak ass 17, man. Yeah, shut the fuck up.
Hey, we got 30 out seat. No, the goddamn stuff ain't right on him. Why you want to talk? Talk now, here I am. Talk now, goddamn. No, the stuff ain't right
Nigga,
anyway.
what you talking about? What, nigga? Why you load that goddamn, load that bitch the other day, what you talking about, nigga? Hey, you talking about, this is right.
Talk about scope on point.
There it is. Finna get it on him. Let that man see he can hit it in 2. Let's do it. For 1. You got the red dot. Yeah. I hit it. I see the red dot. Well, shoot that bitch. You might got that bitch loaded. Yeah. Twin, you ain't got something. Hey, man. The military nigga have mouth punch. Ooh, nigga got show work. Give me this shit, man. Give me this shit. Jack, this is military nigga, Jack. Ready to go. Military nigga, though, Jack. Let's see it. For one. Damn, man, what's the hold up? Damn, what's the hold up? Fucking the grind. He fucking the grind. Yeah, you gotta find that cover gang, go to the right.
I just told you, I ain't in front of the cover.
It's about to go down.
Damn, man, why? Shit, I don't speak before he. Man,
Oh.
what the fuck?
That's true.
Man, these niggas don't fucked up.
Always be the one to fuck
These
up,
niggas don't
man.
fucked up and busted forehead fucking with the 308, gang. I mean 30 hours. What it is? 30 hours. What it is? 30 hours 6, man.
He wanted 3 away.
Oh, yeah, gang don't got no busted forehead with this big white motherfucker, man. Feel me, man? Gang don't fucked up, man. We can just go ahead and get it all. You might need some steak. You feel me? We gone. We gone, chat. You say you got what? Fuck going YouTube, man. We back out this bit, man. We had to come back out this bit the next day, twin. Cause Brad got down. Fuck this up, y'all know shit.
Y'all want to see some blood?
Shit fucked up and shit. You feel me, man? I brought my boy JV out with me today, man. You feel me? I got my boy JV with me. Got now still Jamal. I got the cameraman kid still. You feel me? Little tired, man. My sister just went and got this bit right from goddamn. From our people, bit rusty, fucked up. She want me to goddamn get that bit right, you feel me? Read that bit now a little bit, see what that bit gonna run like.
Bro, why the sound seem late? Y'all, you heard that shit? I get when open field.
You feel me? They still do what they do. So shit. You know, I'm gonna get that bite to it from the I get to the high, you feel me? Check this out though, man. We got some more of these goddamn Tannerite, man. We got 3 more of these bitches, man. We finna goddamn get it on, man. Soon we goddamn hit these bitches, man. One out that bitch, sawed up 100 yards down that bit, man. Finna see what we can do, man. Then we gonna start out with the goddamn ARP today, though. Then we gonna start out with the ARP today, bro.
That bit gonna be
You feel
hard
me?
to hit, boy.
Hey, what we gonna do? Thinking 2 shots, 3. We'll do 3 ARP, you feel me? Snipe 2, you feel me? That's how we gonna do it. Let's do it. So check this out. So boom. Finna do a little goddamn heads tail with the bait, right? Do a little tournament real quick. See who go first, 2nd, 3rd, 4th. You feel me? Let's do it. Then right here. Words. The heads. Tail. Me and Jamal.
I got head.
Head. Take tail. Fuck it. Heads.
Yeah.
Let's do it. What you got?
Got head?
Tail. Let's do it. Ooh.
Tails it is, buddy.
Tail. That what you want it?
Mm-hmm.
Fur. This nigga fur. This nigga fur. This nigga sick. Now watch out heat. You feel me?
Damn, I hit behind that beat. Hit behind that beat. Again. What I did hit? Behind it. Front of it. Front of it again. That.
Look at all that grease coming out my shit, y'all, from when I already bit. I ain't shot that bit ever since, bro. All that grease just got nothing coming out that bit.
Knocking that bitch out of there. Crazy thing about this shit, YouTube. How long you had it gun?
I don't even know.
First time shooting that bitch, we supposed to be like this. Should ain't made his ass study they got in the
All
park.
right, I'm getting
Oh, man. Damn.
hit with these 30 I see. Close.
Fuck. Boom. Oh. Damn, that bit hard hit that bit with the ARP, boy. Yo, Michael Drake. Either way, that bit hard hit that bit with that bit though. That bit him?
That bit hitting though. I'm talking about ears ringing, dinging, 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 bro.
Me?
Lansing in the beach. So boom, we had to change location, bro. We had to look at down difficulty. That's all I'm gonna say, man. That's all I'm gonna say. We had to change location, bro. We here though. Huh? Down now. With the Drake. You on virus.
Know that.
Mission do. You feel me? We got another contestant though, man. Special gift. Military man bite, man. You feel me? Military man bite, man. Special gift.
Hey man, see, yesterday I fucked up, but guess what? That would do this.
Let's do it.
Let's do it.
I ain't low, boy.
Beside it.
Put that bit back on stage.
Damn. You say, hold on. Damn.
So it's back to the real nigga, you know. Back to the real nigga. I guess I gotta be the one. I almost had that beat down.
I thought that shit gonna do it on me now. Damn, that was the one. It had to be, ain't it? That was the one. It had to be. I thought that shit was gonna happen on me.
That shit was too close, boy. Hey, chat.
Tell him what we got for him.
Behind the tree.
Chat, it's time to bring it back out, chat. Hope shouldn't hurt nobody today, chat. Hope shouldn't hurt nobody. Look at this shit, chat. Oh, they don't got it out, chat. She still had blood and skin on her. I'm gonna put the picture. Hey, listen. I'm gonna put the picture right now. Right now. That bitch still had blood and skin for all birthday, but this shit is skin. But y'all want y'all a rifle? They gonna knock something down, bro. 30 out 6, bro. 30 fucking out 6. Let's do it, though. Oh, he got it.
Told him I got you, bitch.
I told him I got you. Pop that bit in, Glee.
Hell yeah.
They can't fuck with me, gang. I'm telling you. First one, 100 yards. Boom. First shot. Can't fuck with me. You talked all that shit yesterday. Look at the last nigga right there. Look, nah, fuck that. Look at that one right there that talked all that shit yesterday. You see that one that talked all that shit yesterday? You see that one that talked all that shit yesterday?
Y'all done hit it yesterday.
I hit it from 100.
I ain't even 100. Y'all know not dead. Like,
I hit that bit from 100 yards, cuz.
I was 100 fucking yard,
Cool,
bro.
I hit that bit from 100 yards.
But he 50, bro. Oh God, he 50.
100 yards, gang.
100 yard game.
But that man 50. Y'all know what's going on.
Try to tell you things, but you know guns. Fuck that.
Why did it be finna go? What you mean?
You to my it caught. It's been caught. What think about the girl?
What ain't somebody caught? I ain't never said who caught the first time. Hey, you talking about? Straight down though. What are you looking for?
that bitch. That one.
Boy, ain't no way you aiming down in front of that
Boy,
bitch.
I aiming right down in front of that bitch too.
I ain't even see that bitch. Like, I ain't even see when the grab moved.
Shit, that
I probably
bitch-
gotta go lower though, cause I'm shorter than you.
Yeah, you will.
I put that bitch.
You was trying to think about how I did it. Yeah, you got.
I ain't no bitch like that.
I told him put a hood or something on. All that shit keep getting in my house. That's why I got a hood on my head. Watch this. Y'all two gonna have all kind of shit in y'all head. Shit, that's exactly how you should do it. Stood up, put that blue that tree.
I was just finna stand over that bitch.
I would do how my dad used to do me, but that bitch that's too big and too loud. No, sometimes when it was just me and dad, he'll have me stand in front of him, he'll put that bitch on my shoulder. And I just got him to be like that right here.
See,
Damn fool.
no that bitch.
Hey, man, pops. You went behind that bitch, I seen it.
My turn.
Mm-hmm. And before we leave and get in that car, check y'all self-fatigue. Please, tick.
Fuck. Chat. She got me depressed.
Can't fuck with me, Chad.
I can't hit that bitch.
I'm over this bitch chilling on the tree.
She really got me pieces. Fuck this nigga, gang. He ain't even gonna hit it no more, y'all. Watch this shit. That shit was look, bro. That shit was look. That bitch just having to jump the right way and that bitch went and bomb.
What you think, Kill? That shit will look. Let chat know.
Man, listen. I ain't
You know what look, cause with the first try. You know what look. No, what look.
Hey.
No, the scope ain't side right,
You
Jack.
tall now, so it's a, yeah, you tall.
So, check. The scope ain't side right, so.
You ain't see it either.
Alright, chat. They said shit, look. They just showing.
Man, watch this shit. Why this shit finna tell? The show won't tell.
That bit 5, you won't hit it, Jamal.
Uh-oh.
Bet 5.
Lock it.
Big 5 more me then. Fuck it.
Yeah,
One
5
better.
more me.
That's 15. You wanna make it
Shit.
20?
Fuck, am I gonna make it 20?
Fuck it.
Fuck it. Hey, chat. Let's see if this man gonna be $20 richer by the day.
Nah, hell no.
One shot now.
Ain't gonna be $20 with you, man.
That bit finna pay for my Dairy Queen.
Go ahead, get right.
Go ahead, get my 5 to little boy, my boy. I can't even talk right. I know I'm finna get some money. Get it 5 to my boy.
This shit here like racing the goddamn Dodger car, the goddamn regular car, no more.
Easy money. I'm ready.
Oh!
I went right beside that bitch, chat. I went right beside that bitch, chat.
Stay strong for a nigga. You wondering if everything gonna be okay? It will be okay if you just stay strong.
We'll take them 5.
I got money.
I went right beside
I got
that bitch,
money.
What that 5?
Shit,
Hey, yo.
gotta get that bitch. I go to town.
Nah, we need it now. Make that phone ding. Hey, y'all, show chats, no man, y'all make sure we get our money, chat. We get our goddamn money. Look.
Tell the chat this out when they gonna get it.
Hey, I'm finna hook this. Watch this.
Cash
I'm
out.
finna hook that bit on my. Oh!
They might try to get it.
Nah, I'm gonna cry that shit out.
They thought about it. Don't
Damn,
put
I
that
ain't
in
gonna
front
post
of
that
that
shit.
camera, boy.
You really couldn't even see it for real.
Oh, okay.
It's on me.
Yeah, you got a load of cook. Got a load of cook.
I got 5 more, you won't hit it, cool.
Me aim ain't right. I ain't crazy. They easy money for me. Yee. I ain't crazy. What on Crew Man said? I wasn't born last night. Know what he said?
You know these hoes ain't right.
Know what he said? I wasn't born last night, wasn't it?
Yeah.
Oh, he said.
When that bit come back around, I'm betting 10. You gotta go higher. When they say 10, that shit gonna make me lock in.
Tight
I'm
of
gonna
shit.
bet 10.
10, 20, 30,
Shit.
40. That's gonna be $40.
45. I mean, no, not 45. That's 60 you finna lose today. Hey, you talking about?
Finna win 60. Watch this shit, Chad.
How you like losing to your little brother like that?
Finna win this 60 ball.
How you gonna win 60? You gonna win 20? You already done lost a dub.
I'm gonna make them pay me 60. That's what I'm trying to tell y'all, chat. I'm gonna make them pay me 60.
I bet my 5 bite with you though.
That fucked up, cool.
You feel me? I just break it
You want
even
that
more.
Glock?
You feel me? I ain't that type of guy. Cause he tell me he gonna bet by 10 when he shoot. I just take the 10 off. I ain't
Let me
gonna,
tell you
I
something.
ain't gonna get it. I ain't gonna get it all.
See, chat.
Now what if I hit this bit though, chat? I'ma double up. So come on, gang.
Chat. Let me tell you something. They ain't got but one gun. I got bullets. Once they shoot them 4, they fucked up. They can get that shit in blood, really, cause I got 17.
Oh man, damn.
5 and ready.
He can't do it one. Come on, I'm trying to tell you, buddy.
Well.
On him 5.
That bit like,
He went a little over it. You
didn't see
went, like you
it.
went.
I ain't see that.
No, I dead ass went a little over. He went a little too high. Dead ass.
I didn't see it.
Y'all wasn't paying attention. I was looking. Told your ass I ain't low, nigga.
I ain't tripping, chat. You just broke even. That shit, hey, listen. One thing about chat, I ain't tripping. We just broke even.
I think I heard that bit the block, chat.
Well, you had the bit zone down there? That bitch fat.
Come on now, Glitter. Wanna bet that 5 bite?
Father fuck you, nigga.
Oh, he ain't gonna bet the 5 bite?
That bitch said, "Father, fuck you, nigga." What movie that come out for? Damn, I forget.
Oh, he said, "Father, fuck you, nigga." Ooh. I didn't.
And he ain't cock it back.
Hey, you ain't cock it bite. You get picked up at the cooling shot, so ain't you ain't even got no.
I did cock it back. With the bullet in me. But you just right there.
No, you ain't retrained.
Right up to your right. Look on.
Right there by your knee, right off.
Yeah, right on. Game ain't lying, man. There's a bullet, bro. Trying to tell that man. You tell that man know what he doing? What you talking about, Gleason?
Well, he is Uncle Sam's son.
Uncle Sam.
5-1 ready.
Wow, and I went down some. I don't know which
Tell
way.
you
I don't know
gotta
which way
adjust your
left or
height,
right,
man.
gang.
You
I
gotta
might
adjust
be.
your height.
But I went down a little bit more, bro. That what it is.
Boy, you know that bit hot.
Come on with it, man. What time it is?
2:46. Hold on. What that bullet that you just had?
There we go. Straight my way to reload that bit. But this the last one. Where you going, boy?
Bro, I was just finna say, go out. What you doing? I know you missed and all. God damn, it don't hurt that bad.
Man, they got nothing bad.
Behind it, buddy.
That bit way better than it. Huh?
I don't even know, man.
That shit ain't.
Got reloaded. On bet 10. You and me.
Fuck out, man.
Well, chat, I told y'all. 2025, gotta stop that capping when you gonna bet and don't bet.
Be already like 15.
You know, they broke even with me.
Yeah, $15, yeah.
Up at 10.
Why you ain't bet no ball up back there? You supposed to got your bet about them.
Shit, they ain't. Y'all want a big bite?
I bet that 5 was better. We break even.
Well, you know, I ain't shooting no rifle.
Bet 5 up.
I hate that, but if I miss this bit, but I might just fight you today.
Send out Dairy Queen money.
Why you don't want to bet me bet back?
Oh, you been on your shop.
I'm trying to bet on this shit.
Nah, I said, you gotta bet on yours, though. Huh? You have to bet on yours. When you get it, when you go, you.
Man, first I gotta keep shooting that motherfucker, see how low I gotta go.
I bet that 5 bite.
Huh?
Me?
Oh, him.
You ain't gonna lock in that 10?
Fuck out the way, Buster.
We still got that 5 out there? Yes, no.
You got to bet 10 then. You cracking my ass, don't you, do?
You ain't gonna bet that.
What you told him?
You cracking my ass.
Well,
You don't just fuck up and shoot.
Ask the bitch how my dick taste.
told you, chat.
Fuck! I went over that bitch.
Who is on?
One of y'all.
Well, you.
It's the end, no chat, man. Finish it out right here. Fuck it.
All right, gang, we got.
Gonna holler at
Catch y'all
y'all,
later on.
man. We got some more things to shoot, though. I gotta see that shit. I gotta see it. I gotta
I
see.
know what I'm buying Friday though, chat. Let me tell you something. We got the small bottles, but Friday, I'm going to buy the big bitch. Shake that big bitch up. We gonna see how big that bitch that'll explode.
That 2 pound, bitch, that might goddamn